How to create calendar on monday.com. Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a calendar on monday.com. So let's get started. First of all, open your monday.com account and sign in with your email and password, and then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. You have to select your workspace over here. You can either create a new workspace by clicking on plus icon over here, or you can click on this my first project that I have already created. So you can even create a new one by clicking on these three dots and then select edit workspace, or click on add new workspace. So I'm going to click on my first project that I have already created, and this is the main table that I have created with three tasks over here, and there are some owners like you can see, and there are statuses. Okay, this is the owner and I'm the only one assigned, and okay, these are the statuses like working on it, done, and stuck. So over here you can see that there are two lists. One is to-do list and the other is the completed list. So now over here you can see in the navigation panel there is new task. You can click on this and you can add new group of tasks, or you can import any task. And apart from that, you can search the board for any specific task, and you can even search from a person's perspective. Like you can write down a person's name or select the person within your group and select all the tasks assigned to them, and all of the tasks assigned to them will be displayed in front of you. You can click on filter, and there are various filters by which you can filter. You can just give it a look over here through group, name, owner, or statuses. You can filter all of that. And here are some other options over here. You can just give them a quick look, like sort and hide and group by. So if you want, you can just go search for this yourself. And now click on add view. Once you click on add view, you'll be able to see calendar. So just click on calendar and you'll be redirected to this interface. Now this is your calendar, but this is empty right now because you have not added any tasks to the calendar. Click on one of it, and here you can write down the item's name. As here I'm gonna write product review, so let me write down product review. Now here you can mention the group, like which group does it belong to do or completed. You can even select the owner, and you can add the status, that what's the status of this particular task here. Now let me add stuck and then click on create task. Now you won't be able to see the calendar tasks over here, but when you go back to the main table, you'll be able to see that this task has been added. Now why does it not show in the calendar? That's because you have not added dates to your main table. If you have added dates over here, you'll be able to see calendar. So now let me just delete the calendar, and now after that you have to click on this plus icon over here. You have to add a column of date, so just click on date. And now here you have to write down the date for all of these. So let me quickly write down dates for them. Now for task 1, let us give 13 December and then 10 December, and then let's write down 13, or let me just change it from 13, make it 15, and here let's make it 20. Now these are the dates for these tasks, and now again come to add view, click on calendar. And now this time when you click on calendar, you'll be able to see that those tasks will be displayed in the calendar on those respective dates. Now if you wish to create a timeline of your tasks, now in order to create a timeline of your task, what you have to do is go back to your main table, and let me just delete this calendar first because it doesn't get refreshed if you don't delete it. So let me click on, let's just delete this date one too, and add a column of timeline. So just click on this plus icon, and once you click on plus icon, you have to find the option timeline, and once you click on timeline, you have to set the start and the end date of the task. Now let us set a start date of the task as 8 and the end date be 13, and after that for the next task let's make it 13, or no, like 5 and 20, and the last date be 22. And same goes for task 3. Let me just quickly add the dates for all of the tasks for a better view. Okay, now all of the timeline dates are added. Now let me just delete this date column. So let's just click on delete and again delete. Now this time when you create a calendar, you'll be able to see a whole timeline. So let's just create a calendar once again, And now over here you'll be able to see a whole line stretched from your start date till your end date. Now this is just quite the whole timeline displayed on your calendar of the task states. Now here in the calendar view there are also several navigation options like add widget. You can add widget to your calendar. You can search from your calendar and filter any person or filter by anything, and through these arrow icons you can change the months. Now let me just click on these arrows and you'll be able to see that the months get changed, or you can even write down specify month, week or day yourself. So that is basically how you can create a calendar in monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.